Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are going to unbox this amazing speedometer, or you can say a bicycle computer. So at the end of the video I will also tell you how you can install this on your bike. So let's start our unboxing.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and
I'm far from my rem.
So welcome back guys. I have installed the computer in my bicycle and it is performing very well. So I'm going to tell you the way how you can install it in your bicycle now. So first of all, you have to take this machine. You can see the picture right on the screen. So you have to take the machine and you have to paste it right here. It has a tape sticked on its backside. So stick it here. So one tip is this, that don't stick it up, don't stick it at the bottom. You have to stick it at the side where the rim and they are close together. Means this magnet has to contract this. Like, wait a second. Okay, there you go. And now you can see that there is not very much distance between them. They both are means connected. Okay, so they have to stay connected, and the wire has to go right up here from here and to right here. So this machine has to be fixed here. So you have to fix it right here. Okay, and now it is performing. You have seen the video that it is performing very well. So I have also made the maximum speed, which is 25.4 km/h. So let's go on and try again and take a ride. So you can see the speed is increasing and it is also decreasing. So bye bye, like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.